Hello and welcome to our maths today. So we're going to start off by making sure that we can remember our shapes because our maths today is a bit of a shape lesson. So can we remember? What shape is this? I have covered over the name of the shape that is written. Let's see. It has got 4 corners, 4 sides which are all the same length. This shape is a square. Fantastic. There is our square shape. Right, let's see our next one. Oh, there we go. So this one here, it has got 4 corners and it has got 4 sides again. But this time, look how 2 of the sides are shorter and 2 of the sides are longer. So if it's got 2 shorter sides and 2 longer sides, this shape is a rectangle. Excellent. Right, I'm going to describe the next shape to you and you're going to see if you can guess it from when I describe it without me showing it to you. So this is a shape that has got 3 corners and 3 sides. Shape. 3 corners, 3 sides. Did you get it? Yeah. A triangle. There's my triangle just there. Okay, this shape has got no corners and just 1 side all the way around. What is it? Yeah, a circle. Oh, look how circle is written. Isn't that tricky? Because looks like a k at the beginning, but that k today is being a bit sneaky, making the sound for a circle. Brilliant. I've got 2 other shapes today, and I wonder if you might know what shapes these are. Don't worry if you don't, because we're going to have a little look at them today and see if you can learn them. So I'm just going to show you this shape here. Does anybody know what that one is? Let's have a look at its sides and its corners, and it begins with a P, so we'll see if we can work it out. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 corners. This shape is called a pentagon. Look there, that says that word, pentagon. Pentagon. I haven't looked at that one before, I don't think so. A pentagon. You might already know it though. Another shape I'm going to show you today has got 6 sides and 6 corners. Shall we just count them to check I'm not trying to trick you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 corners. Remember, the corners are where those 2 sides meet together. And this shape is called a hexagon. A hexagon. That says the word hexagon there. So I wonder today if you can remember those 2 shapes, a pentagon and a hexagon. And they are tricky. You don't often find these around and about, but maybe today you might have a look and see if there's anywhere in your house or anywhere on a walk that you could spot a pentagon or a hexagon. Bit of a challenge. Right, another little challenge that we're going to have a go at today is all about shapes and all about something that will zoom into space, beginning with an a rocket. Because our story this week is Whatever Next by Jill Murphy. And today we're going to think about a rocket and getting into space in a rocket. And we're going to see if we can use some shapes to make a shape rocket. Now in your pack you can either use the shapes and cut them and colour them and stick them to make a rocket shape, or you can have a look around your house and see if you can find some different shapes together to make a rocket. Shall I show you my rocket that I made out of shapes? Here we go, I'm just going to move the iPad closer so you can see. So I have made my rocket here using some shapes. At the top of my rocket, in yellow, what shape have I used for the top part of my rocket here? What shape have I used for this window? What shape have I used for the door? What shape is this part of my rocket? And these little bits at the bottom, which will help it to zoom up where the flames will come out, what shape have I used for the bottom part of my rocket? And today, maybe you might see what shapes you can find all around you, shapes in your house or shapes in your pack, and see if you can make a shape rocket and see if you can talk about what shapes you have used and how many sides they have got and how many corners they have got. How creative can your shape rockets be? Maybe you could take a photograph of your shape rocket and send it in to your teachers on the school email addresses. Have lots of fun. See you later.